Okay, let's start with another program. And the program is something like this. Suppose if you are having a list, one list is looking like this. List one, if I will say equal to, you are having a list like this. Let's say I'm saying nothing. Then I'm saying comma, new. Then I'm saying comma, high, comma, true, right? So you have to print this list according to their length. Means high is having the length of 2. That means high should come first, then new, then hello should come, and then nothing should come, right? Like this. So how we will do this kind of a question? So suppose if the list is given like this, so I will do something like this here. I will say print simple 2 lines of code it is. I will say print sorted. We are having something called as a sorted, and in the sorted we have to pass the list name, right? My list name is list one, and here we'll pass a key. Key is a one of the argument of a sorted, which is taking the input as length. Means we are sorting them according to their length. Suppose if I will run it now, if I will run it now, you can check here. It is giving me the output as, it is giving me the output as hi, hello, hi, new, hello, nothing, right? This is one kind of a thing. But if this input is coming from the user, if this input is coming from the user, then at that time, what I will do is, suppose the input is coming like this. And let me copy it out, Control C, and here I'll paste it. Suppose the input is coming like here, it's coming like nothing, nothing, then there is a space, and then there is a new. After new, there is again a space, then there is high, and after the high there is also a space, right? After high there is also a space. When the user is giving input here, he is giving the input somehow like this. Let me comment it out, let me comment it out, and how we will take the input at that time. If the user is giving the input in a single line, in a single line, separated by space, right? This item is separated, this new is separated, this high is separated, and this hello is separated as well. Have to take it from the user. When the user is using a single line, in a single line, and there is a separation, there is a separation, that means we can take this input from the user and create a list of it, so that this will be at first index, this will be at second index, this will be at third index, this will be at fourth index, right? So what I will do is, I can say here list, I'm creating a list, and here I will use a map function. We can do it without a map function as well. And here, map function is taking the data type first. That is the first argument. Second one, you have to provide here is the sequence, right? We are saying input dot split, and split, the user is giving you the input which is splitted by space here, right? So if you are just the split and brackets, by default it is taking the space here. Okay, now let me run it, let me run it. Okay, now it's waiting for me here. Now let me copy the same input that I told you, same input I'm taking from here, and let me go paste it here. Now if I will hit the enter, now see it is giving the list which is sorted according to the, according to the, yes, according to the length, right? So if I will show here, let me give some message here first. I will say enter elements, enter list, and after that I will print the same list. I will print the same list, print, and I will say here original list. Here comma, I will say list one, and here I will say sorted list, sorted list, and here I will say space. Okay, let me show you this thing, the output now. Okay, enter the list. I will enter the same copy here. That is the nothing, new, hi, hello. So if the input is coming something like this, you should click here. You should click here. We have to sort them according to the word. If I will take this as a string, that means this whole will be string. You can't iterate over the nothing. You can't iterate over the new. You can't iterate over the high. You can't iterate over the hello. So if you will iterate over the string, you will get the NOTH, right? We have to sort them according to the word. That means this is first word. So what will, you should click at that time? Okay, if this is a word, I should create a list. So it will be present at one index. This whole word will be present at one index. This new will be present at second index. This high will be present at third index, this hello will be present at fourth index. Then whatever the operation you have to perform, that you will perform accordingly. So remember here, if the user is giving input like this, you should click it. If I have to sort them according to the word, so I will create a list out of it, right? Now if I will hit enter, okay, the original list is now this. I have created a list. That means this nothing is at zero index, this new is at one index, second index, third index, right? Then I am sorting them according to the key is length. I am sorting them according to the length, right? That is the output here. Okay, hope you got it. We'll move to the next question now. Uh, Thank you.